These cream cheese cookies are known for their soft, tender texture and beautiful jam filled in center. The dough is very easy to work with, making it a great recipe even for beginners. They look elegant on a cookie tray yet require almost no effort. The combination of buttery layers with sweet jam makes them a true classic. If you are looking for a simple, festive and flavorful cookie, I bet this one will never disappoint. Let's make it.